A shoulder workout is a type of exercise routine focused on strengthening, building, and increase the flexibility of the shoulder muscle. It is primarily target the three parts of deltoid muscle, the anterior and deltoid and lateral deltoid and posterior deltoid. Common exercise like shoulder press, lateral raises, front raises, and delt fly help in complete development of shoulder. Doing this exercise regular and with proper form not only build strong and well-shaped shoulders but also improve posture and overall upper body balance.
Fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks.
Exercise number 4. Seated dumbbell press.
Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my
Exercise number 5.
so
Dumbbell
catch me if
fly.
I fall.